Well, hello there, my beautiful friends. I have a couple of announcements for you. The first announcement is that I am doing a Coachathon on April 2nd in Miami, Florida. This is a full day of me coaching live. We've rented out a cultural arts theater. You will come to the theater. I will be on stage. You can raise your hand and come up and be coached if you would like, or you can just watch other people be coached. I'm going to be coaching all day long. We are going to have so much fun. This is free to anyone who is a scholar or an alumni coach. So if you would like to attend, those of you who've listened to the podcast forever and want to see the coaching happen live, if you want to attend, all you have to do is join Scholars for 30 days for the time from now until when the Modelthon is, and you will be able to attend the entire event for free. I highly recommend you come with your friends, anyone else who wants to learn about the power of life coaching. There's something about doing it in person, something about doing it live with other people that makes it extremely powerful. We will be doing models all day for an entire day. So if you've been doing your own models, trying to figure out how to do them, you will leave knowing exactly how to do them because we will be coaching all day long. Please come. I would love to meet you. I'd love to see you in person. I'd love to share some laughs with you, maybe a few tears with you. But most importantly, I'd love for many of you to have a life-changing transformation. April 2nd, you can go to lifecoachschool.com for more information on the Coachathon. The second announcement that I'm making is that I am doing my very last live in-person coach training in April. And I want to invite each and every one of you who has ever been on the fence about learning how to be a certified life coach through the Life Coach School, because this, my friends, will be the last time. It's crazy. And I'm doing it in person over a week period, 5-day period. We're starting on April 4th and we're going through April 8th. So if you want to come, you can come to the Modelthon, Coachathon on the 2nd, and then you can attend the practicum on the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. We're going to be in a room. We're going to be practicing coaching. We are going to be getting feedback. We are going to be learning how to hold space. It's going to be an amazing week. I haven't taught live in person in a long time, so I am thrilled. We already have quite a few people coming. If you would like one of the spots, go to the lifecoachschool.com/certification to learn more. Last chance, my friends. Hopefully, I will see each and every one of you that has ever listened to the podcast. I hope you will come on April 2nd. I can't wait to see you at the Coachathon. All right, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Talk soon. Bye.